So we start off today's video with this French bob haircut. As you guys know, the French bob has been trending heavily this season. I love how with this particular hairstylist, we always get like a full explanation and consultation behind the style. Wow, so pretty. Loving the French girl bob trend. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, and everything in between. Loving this money piece highlight look. She does have the bold platinum going there in the front. This is such a trendy hairstyle. I absolutely adore it. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, it looks like we have someone trying out a bob style once again. Now her bob is a bit more traditional, more of like that angled shape, longer in the front, shorter in the back. Gorgeous. This bob is pure perfection. So here we have someone with very long hair, say about mid-back length or so. Oh, looks like the stylist is actually doing layers for this one. And layers, of course, are a great way to add some shape and texture to the hair, a lot of volume as well. Wow, beautifully done. Loving the color too, very pretty. Wow, check out this pixie. Okay, I am loving the platinum color and the design is very creative and unique. She does have an undercut with this as well. Very pretty. And then here we have a trend that I've been featuring more recently on this channel, and that is of course the finger wig look. This is a really pretty hairstyle. You can wear this if you do of course have a pixie and you're looking for a new way to jazz it up. This is a very nice nod to the 1920s and has a strong retro feel. And then we have someone here, looks like she's going to be getting another hair transformation. Oh, very nice tousled bob. I love her hair color too. It's like a really pretty blonde mix in the front and then like more of a ginger tone in the back. Perfect for the summer season. And then here we have another explanation video. So I love these, as you guys already know. So this person is going to be getting the wolf cut trend as well as some red hair coloring. Oh, wow. I love that. That's really intense. All right, so let's see what she ended up doing. Wow, very cute. I love the color. Kind of a nod to that Coca-Cola trend. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.